Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope your day is going great. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing two moisturizers by La Roche Posay. It's their Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizers. I have it in the original version and the matte version. In this video, I'm going to be telling you why moisturizers are important in our skincare routine, when to use it, how to use it, and suggest which of these moisturizers you should get for your skin type. Why are moisturizers, or why is moisturizer important in our skincare routine? First, moisturizers help reduce the chances of our skin, face, and body develop extreme dryness or extreme oiliness. It also helps maintain the skin moisture barrier. So if you notice, minutes after you leave the bathroom without applying lotion to your body, you get white in minutes and even get whiter throughout the course of the day. That's because you did not moisturize your skin or your body with body lotion. That's one good example of how you develop extreme dryness. And over time, if you keep doing it, you notice that some people's bodies, start to get really dry, turn red, itchy. It all depends on your kind of skin. How to choose a moisturizer? It really depends on your skin type. I'll say that use what will work well on your skin, and remember to patch test products before you go on to apply it entirely to your face or your body. You can patch test on your wrist, back of your neck, or your ears, just places that are healing. So in case you get any irritation, you won't be embarrassed about it, if that makes sense. So components of a good moisturizer. We have Occlusive, Emollient, and Humectants. So Occlusives helps to prevent water from escaping the top layer of the skin. Emollient helps to soften the skin, and Humectant helps to draw in water to the skin. So if you have dry skin, I suggest you go for moisturizers that are really thick. If you have oily skin, I suggest you go for lighter lotions or gel moisturizers. If you have acne prone skin, you should go for non-comedogenic moisturizers. And let's say you have dry acne prone skin, or your acne prone skin is dry, go for non-comedogenic moisturizers that are thick. One important thing I would like to state is that you should remember to change your moisturizers depending on the season. So for example, I will use moisturizers that are for dry skin when it's winter, and when it's summer, I use moisturizers that are, either lighter in consistency, gel-like, or matte, because my skin is combination. Enough talk about moisturizers, but I hope you guys got what I'm trying to say. Let me move into the two moisturizers that I'll be comparing today. So these are the moisturizers. They retail for $19.99. That's $20 each. It's a 75 ml moisturizer. It has a shelf life of 12 months. To add, these are US moisturizers, so you can't find them in the UK or the EU. If you want to purchase these, you can get them from Amazon. So if you have Amazon in your country, check and see if it can be shipped to you. I did it with a CeraVe thing and it worked. I'll leave links to purchase this in the description box. So as usual, I'm going to do a hand swatch, one here and one here, then put the two together so you guys can see what it looks like. Starting first with the Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. This one. So this is what my hand looks like after applying the moisturizer. It's quite cooling. Yeah. So next is the Toleriane Double Repair Matte Moisturizer for oily skin, combination skin. This is what here looks like after applying the moisturizer. Also cooling. I'm going to give both sides a little time for it to settle in, and I'll show you guys in a bit. Here is with the Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. And here is the Toleriane Double Repair Matte Face Moisturizer. Here's what they look like side by side. I don't think you guys will notice anything. I want to further swatch it so you guys can see what they look like side by side. Lotion-like, gel-like. So this is the original and this is the matte version. Now it's time for face application. So I'm going to go and wash my face, mainly because I want to use a clean canvas so that you can see how both moisturizers, you know, act on my skin. If that makes sense. My face is nice, fresh and clean. And I'm going to go in with a toner. If you want a very simple routine, after washing your face, you can use a toner, go in with your moisturizer and use a sunscreen. You can skip serums if you like. Also, if you want to be very, very lazy, after washing your face, you can go in with a moisturizer and apply sunscreen. So today, I'm going to go in with a toner. I'm going to use Fenty Fat Water. I'm going to start first with the Double Repair Moisturizer. I'll be applying it on this side. I'm just going to take a pea-sized amount. So this is enough. I'm just going to tap it like so. So I'll be applying this one on this side. Also be taking a pea-sized amount. That's it. So I find both moisturizers cooling on the skin. I'm going to start first with the original one. That's the one in the white tube. So this is what here looks like with the moisturizer on. So now it's time to apply the one in the blue tube. And here's what this other side looks like after being blended in. Okay, so both sides have dried down, like it has gone into my skin well. I don't know how obvious it is that here is matte and here is not. Let me come forward so you guys can see my face well. Do you guys see anything? Let me know in the comment section. So what are the key ingredients in these moisturizers? Starting first with the one in the white tube, which is what I call the original moisturizer. It contains La Roche Posay Thermal Water, niacinamide, glycerine, ceramide NP, and tocopherol. Whereas the one in the blue tube, which is the matte version, contains La Roche Posay Thermal Water, ceramide NP, silica, niacinamide, glycerine, sodium hyaluronate, and perlite. So on La Roche Posay's website, these moisturizers are dermatologist and allergy tested. It is suitable for sensitive skin. It is oil-free, non-comedogenic, free of drying alcohols. It's fragrance-free, oil-free, and it is paraben-free. I'm going to sniff both products. So for the one in the white tube, I really cannot pick a scent. And the one in the blue tube just has that pharmacy scent. But it's, to be honest, you will not get any smell, in my opinion, from both products. So when to use moisturizers? So there are some certain moisturizers that you shouldn't use at certain times. Okay, like so during the day, if you have oily skin, you can, or any skin type can use the white one. Morning and night if you decide. And if you have combination and oily skin, the blue one should only be used in the morning, in my opinion, because I don't know why I would want to apply, or why one would want to apply a mattifying moisturizer to bed, if that makes sense. But then it's your choice on how you want your skincare routine to be. I also did not check if they recommended, okay, fine. On the bottle here, La Roche Posay recommends you can use this on your face and neck morning and evening. I won't do that. It's just me, okay? I have found out what works for my skin and how my skin behaves. So, like I said earlier, find out what works for your skin and stick to it. So before I conclude this video, I noticed something about the white tube. Depending on the products I use, this tends to peel. I'm really surprised that today on the Fenty toner, it didn't peel. If I use this when I applied the Cosrx Snail serum on my face, this tends to peel. So this one peels sometimes, whereas this one hasn't peeled since I've been using it. I don't know if there's anything I haven't touched, right? Let me know in the comment section. With that being said, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys found my video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like it, share it, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful week.